If you need help reining in your spending and getting your personal finances under control, a budgeting app may be just what you need. It can help you organize your income and expenses, allowing you to spend your hard-earned money more wisely. The number of money management, personal finance, and budgeting apps is large, so it helps to know the different types of people and spending they're designed for. We've done the hard work for you, creating a list of the best budgeting apps out there that is non-biased and sponsorless. Welcome back to another episode of Living Fire. If you never want to miss an upload, make sure to subscribe to the channel. The best budgeting apps. Mint tops the list as a free, easy-to-use app with ample features, including automatic transaction categorizing. Mint is one of the oldest and best-known budgeting apps. Owned by Intuit, the same company that makes QuickBooks and TurboTax, Mint offers an array of features to help you track and manage your money from a giant list of banks, credit card issuers, brokerages, lenders, and other financial institutions. It comes with a wide range of features, the most useful being its budgeting tools, which lie front and center when you log in. Mint automatically categorizes transactions from linked credit and debit cards and tracks them against a budget so you can tweak and customize to your needs. Get alerts when you go over budget, track spending by category, or look at your overall cash flow to get a well-rounded picture of where your money goes each month. Pocket Guard. We chose Pocket Guard for its specific features. It curbs the tendency to overspend, like with its subscription tracking, and helps to negotiate rates for bills. As the name implies, Pocket Guard can help guard you against spending too much. This budgeting app links to all of your financial accounts and helps you track your spending compared to your budget throughout the month. This app is one of the easiest to set up and connect to your bank accounts. It tracks how much you're earning, follows what you're spending on recurring bills and everyday expenses, and tracks deposits into your savings account. Pocket Guard even has a feature to help you track each individual bill and find opportunities to save. It looks out for recurring bills from phone, TV, and internet companies, which may help you find cheaper options. It can also help you find subscriptions you forgot you had, and helps you choose which ones you might want to cancel. Not only does this app help you track your budget, but it also helps you lower your spending. You Need a Budget. You Need a Budget offers a different approach to budgeting by giving every dollar a job. You Need a Budget has a cult-like following of die-hard fans who lovingly refer to the app as YNAB. You Need a Budget has a unique approach compared to other budgeting apps. Rather than relying on traditional budgeting buckets, you build your budget based on your income, giving every dollar a job. These jobs include everything from living expenses and entertainment to debt payments, savings, and investments. Leaving no dollar unaccounted for forces you to think about every dollar you acquire and spend. The app is great for individuals or couples working together on their budget. It offers both desktop and mobile interfaces, options to sync your bank accounts automatically or enter expenses manually. And it includes debt payoff and progress tracking features to help motivate you to reach your money goals. Wally. We chose Wally because of its streamlined budgeting features and support in most foreign countries. Wally features wonderful images and graphics and is specifically focused on budgeting without tons of other functions. This app helps you track your income and expenses while offering you a snapshot of your remaining budget to help you avoid overspending. More popular with millennials. This app has free and paid versions. One major benefit of Wally is its built-in support for virtually all foreign currencies, which makes it a better option for those who live outside of the United States. If you want a simple budgeting app without the bells and whistles, this could be the one for you. Envelopes. If you're looking for a digital version of the popular cash envelope system, Envelopes is a great fit. Cash budgeting lends itself well to envelope budgeting, a style of budgeting where you put cash in envelopes for different spending categories. When an envelope is empty, your budget for that category is all spent for the month. This is a bit more challenging with credit and debit cards, but Envelopes makes it easy to follow cash-style budgets in a digital world. While it isn't free, Envelopes offers the ability to connect to unlimited financial accounts and put classic envelope budgeting to use to track your regular spending. With real-time budget matching, you will know whether you can buy that cappuccino or need to wait for your budget to reset next month. Good Budget. We chose Good Budget because the software makes it easy to budget as a couple. Formerly known as Easy Envelope Budget Aid, or EEBA, Good Budget is a perfect option for couples that want to share the budgeting process together. It uses the familiar envelope budgeting philosophy to power your proactive budget for all of your bills and spending. You can share and sync budgets across formats, web, iPhone, and Android, making it great for couples with shared finances while working great for solo budgeters as well. When you add new transactions, you can include a number of details, breaking up your expenses into multiple envelopes, budget by category, called envelopes in the app, with up to 10 envelopes for free. Add to your envelopes from your income every payday, and you'll know just how much you have left over for non-essential purchases. Personal Capital. Personal Capital allows you to track your budget and investments in one place. Personal Capital offers a complete investment advising solution, a hybrid robo-advisor, and a human advisor service in one. The first $1 million invested is charged a management fee of 0.89%. However, without paying a cent, you can access Personal Capital's free money tracking dashboard, which includes some handy budgeting features. Personal Capital puts the majority of emphasis on investments, with free and automated analysis of your investment fees, asset classes, and other important investment details. The cash flow and budgeting tools are not quite as extensive as other apps on this list, but they work similarly, using the same automated tracking of purchases from linked accounts. Every Dollar. This app offers a zero-based budgeting framework that's simpler and perhaps easier to manage than 𝐦𝐸. Every Dollar is a free budgeting app, but to get the app's extra features, you must become a 𝐦𝐨𝐬 Plus member. In addition to a beefed-up version of Every Dollar, a 𝐦𝐸 Plus membership includes other off-app features, such as audiobooks and courses. The free version is simple, in part because you don't sync accounts. You manually enter incoming and outgoing money throughout the month. You also categorize line items in your budget and set reminders for bill payments. If you sign up for 𝐦𝐸 Plus, you can connect your bank accounts, so it's simpler to track transactions. You can also track debts, see reports on how you spent your money, and print your transaction history. The free version of Every Dollar is pretty bare bones, and the 𝐦𝐸 Plus membership is more expensive than any app on our list. Also, the app's website offers few resources to help you understand how to use the app before signing up for a trial. Honeydew. Honeydew is designed so you and your partner can view both your financial pictures in one app. Both partners can sync bank accounts, credit cards, loans, and investments, although you can choose how much you share with your significant other. The free budget app automatically categorizes expenses, but you're also able to create custom categories. Together, you can set up monthly limits on each of these categories, and Honeydew will alert you when you or your partner is nearing them. Honeydew also sends reminders for upcoming bills and lets you chat and send emojis. Like a few other apps on our list, Honeydew leans more toward reflecting and learning about past transactions rather than planning ahead for expenses. Fudget. Consider Fudget if you'd rather not sync financial accounts and would prefer a straightforward calculator-esque interface over fancy features. In Fudget's ultra-simple design, you make lists of incoming and outgoing money and track your balances. There aren't even any budget categories. The Pro account allows you to also export your budget along with other extras. Fudget, which is new to our best budget apps list, has a Google Play rating that's higher than any of the other apps we've reviewed and an App Store rating that ties for the highest score with a few other picks. This app is likely too simple for you if you prefer categorization of expenses, insights, or just about anything else besides the basics. And if you don't have it in you to log every expense, it's likely best to look elsewhere. AndroMoney. AndroMoney is one of the most popular and successful expense trackers on Google Play. The app offers cross-platform support for the web and iOS as well. Some of the features include multiple accounts, support for account balances and transfers, budgeting functions, support for multiple currencies, and backing up to Excel if needed. The design is surprisingly clean, and the analytics are laid out in a logical and easy-to-read manner. We also love that this is a free app. There are ads, but it's hard to maintain a budget when you're spending $100 a year on a subscription option. In any case, there isn't a whole lot wrong with this app. It seems to work quite well. Financial Calculators. Financial Calculators is a vital tool when figuring out your budget for the future. The app is essentially a collection of calculators that can help you figure out various things. For instance, it has a loan calculator so you can see what your payments and interest will be like. This app has around 3 or 4 dozen calculators in total that range from home buying to fixed versus adjustable rate, and even a return on investment calculator. It won't manage your money, but it will help you make fewer bad decisions on upcoming purchases. It's one of the must-have budget apps. Google Sheets, and similar apps. Short of getting a piece of paper and writing it down, using a spreadsheet is about as old school as it gets. Google Sheets and similar apps work well as budget apps. Simply fill in the cells with your income, expenses, and other data. You can then see what you make and spend every month. Google Sheets is completely free, so we'll recommend that one. However, pretty much any Office app with spreadsheets or spreadsheet app will do the trick. It's old school, but it's also much simpler. It's a good option for those who are highly security conscious. Monify. Monify is one of the more simple budget apps. Its claim to fame is how quick it is to use. The app tries to set itself up in a way that makes adding new data quickly and easily. It usually does a pretty decent job. Alongside that, you'll get various currency support, a built-in calculator, passcode protection, Dropbox integration, widgets, and more. The interface takes a moment to learn. However, once you get into using the app, it's really easy. You can pick up the free version using the link above, and the pro version costs $2.50. Money Manager. The simply named Money Manager is an effective app for budgeting money. It features a more visual experience, so you can see where your money is going instead of just reading numbers. You'll also get a passcode lock, asset management, instant stats, and up-to-the-moment bookkeeping. You can also back up and restore your data in case you need to switch devices. It also outputs to an Excel spreadsheet format if you need that. It uses material design. That makes the UI look pretty good. It's free to download with the Pro version going for $3.99. You can also use this app for free if you subscribe to Google Play Pass. My Budget Book. My Budget Book is a serious app. It features all kinds of fine details and allows you to set limits by category. Thus, you can decide how much to spend on clothes, entertainment, etc. Additionally, it features 100% offline support, no ads, no in-app purchases, and a themed material design interface. The entire thing is highly customizable, and that makes it powerful. You can also export to HTML or CSV. It doesn't have common advanced features like cross-platform support, but it doesn't really need it. The only downside is that you'll have to pay for this one up front. And with that, we've reached the end of this episode, all about the 15 best budgeting apps to download now. Do you know of any other budgeting apps that we forgot to mention? Then get involved and let us know in the comments section down below. If you enjoyed this one and found it helpful, remember to leave a like on the video and to subscribe to Living Fire for even more amazing videos just like this one. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.